There are three areas in OMR sheet. First area is for supervisor, second area is for candidate, and third area is for invigilator. After completion of each session, the used OMR sheets shall be deposited by the invigilators to the supervisor. The supervisor will arrange all the used OMR sheets in roll number order and thereafter fill the attendance number, which is the running serial number, at the top of the OMR sheet. This number is to be filled by supervisor only. Ensure that the number in the last OMR sheet should tally with the total number of candidates present at the venue. Candidates need to fill 6 columns, which are name of the center, subject, booklet series, subject code, roll number, area for marking responses. In addition, the candidates will fill the OMR sheet serial number in the scannable attendance list. Do not put any mark or write anything upon the encoding part of the OMR sheet. The candidates will mark responses, him or herself, in the OMR answer sheet by blackening completely the correct circle. The third area is for invigilators. It contains booklet series and initial by the invigilator. Booklet series is filled correctly and matched with the test booklet series. The invigilator should make his initial in the assigned box only. Invigilator should only supply one OMR sheet to each present candidate. Invigilators should note that for rough work, additional sheets have been attached at the end of each test booklet and QCAB. No extra sheet needs to be supplied to the candidate. Please ensure all unused OMR sheets should be returned to supervisors.